Christina Flack with Back Nine Greens. I'm often asked, should I have a bunker installed along with my putting green in my backyard? Yes, absolutely. You should have a bunker installed in your backyard along with your putting green. Having a bunker allows you to practice your chipping out of the sand, which we all know will end up at some point. It's better to practice at home than ruin your scorecard in front of your friends. Here at Back Nine Greens, we don't only design bunkers to perfect your chipping from the sand, we go beyond that and customize each bunker to make your golf dream come true. If you're interested in some of the bunkers we've customized, please visit our website or follow us on Instagram at BNG Luxury, because we all know losing $20 to your best friend feels like $1 billion.